Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card on your iPhone 17 Pro or any of the new iPhone 17. So let's get started. First thing is you have to remember if your phone has a physical SIM or an eSIM. If you're in the US, your iPhone does not have a physical SIM card, which this phone, you can hear there's no physical SIM card. But if you're outside the US, your phone will have a physical SIM card, which is going to be on the side like here, unlike this phone here. So how do you insert a SIM card? I'll show you just like this. What you need to do is take a SIM ejector tool, which will come in the box if your phone actually has a physical SIM slot, or you can take a paper clip if you don't have it in that box, and you just simply put that in that hole right here, and then give it a push, and it'll pop out the SIM card like that. Now once the SIM card is popped out, all you're going to do is see there's a cut corner here. Depending on the model, you might have a single or a dual. This one just has a single one as an example. If you have a dual SIM one, it's going to have one in the back as well. And all you'll do is simply take that, line it up again, just like that, and then insert it in. And after that, you should be able to see the SIM working right away. It should pick up the service if your phone, again, is unlocked. Here, for example, this one, I don't have a physical SIM on here because this is the US model. I have to use eSIM to activate it. So if you need to activate an eSIM, you're going to go into your setting and then go to cellular and then set up cellular and then follow the prompt to set up the eSIM, which is pretty much like a physical SIM. And the eSIM can be transferred from iPhone nearby, a QR code, or an Android nearby as well. And each of the steps will kind of work. For example, if I have one right here, transfer stuff, as you can see here, I can just transfer my phone with it directly through Bluetooth, or I can also scan a QR code. If you don't have that, you can just scan the QR code to do it, or manually enter the detail to set up cellular. So again, look for the physical SIM card, which is going to be here, and then take your SIM ejector tool to poke it to get it out, and then install it like we showed you on this device. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.